Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on desktop. First, you should open your browser and type here in the search bar cash.app, and after that, you will have to click on login right here. And now what you should do is to simply log in with your mobile number or with your email. You can simply click on use email if you want to use your email or use your phone number, but make sure that you should make an account using your mobile cash application. So if you do not have one, you can simply go and download the application on your phone, create an account, then after that you will be able to use it on your desktop. So you can actually use it to do some simple transactions, but be careful, not all of the features are present in Cash application on the desktop, but it still can provide you with some features. You can also scan this QR code, as you can see, if you want to download the application directly, or you can simply search for it on your Play Store or App Store. And here, as you can see, it will show exactly what you can do using the Cash application on the browser. So this is actually a good choice if you want to check for something without using your phone, or if you are already using your PC and want to look at something, you can simply go to Cash application on your browser. So actually it's very easy. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new tutorial.